We're gonna make a crown for tooth number 3 today. Let's get everything designated. Look at our pre-operative image here. Here she blows. So number 3, fractured mesiobuccal cusp. Had a little recurrent decay under there. Probably the reason it broke is just got a little cavity, and then that tooth structure was weak. And we prepped it for a crown. There's our crown prep. Let us begin by trimming models. All right, computer draws most of that margin for us. We're gonna go through and help it out a little. Margin looks good. Now, the astute viewer will notice we're missing a filling right here. I have this planned for today. I just didn't want to be adjusting occlusion while scanning, so I just scanned it without a filling in there, but I placed it before I even came back to design. So we're going to fix that hole too. Spacer is 120 microns, allows us room to bond. Edit element asks the computer to generate a proposal. Start dialing in our occlusion. Check proximal contacts. So we're going to take these other teeth away. Actually looks pretty good. The backside is way too thick. So we're going to come in with a form smooth tool. We like a broad double turquoise. We like a small amount of green. That looks good. Last thing to check is our virtual articulator. It gives us a tool, functionally generated path, Allows us to see excursive movements such as moving jaw left, right, forward, and back. We have no interferences there. So our crown is done.